Hello, welcome back to our online classes. Today our topic is Roman numbers. Okay, everyone, clear? Roman numbers is our topic. So, do you have any idea about Roman numbers? So, I will explain about Roman numbers. We have learned that the Roman Empire used different symbols for counting numbers. Yes or no? Yes. So, those they are used mainly seven different symbols to count the numbers. Okay, seven different symbols. Now I am going to write on the board what are the seven symbols they are used. Those are Roman numbers, na? Roman Roman numbers. So what are the symbols? See here. This is one type of symbol. Next one, this one. Next one, this one. Next one, this one. This one, D and M. Count this, how many symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are Roman Empire. When the Roman was ruled the empire, they are used these seven symbols to count the numbers. Okay, they used these seven symbols. Now Hindu Arabic, in Hindu Arabic, how the numbers are there? Now Hindu Arabic. So see, in Hindu Arabic, this means 1. This number means 5. This number means 10. Here means this L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. M means 1000. Okay. M is equals to 1000. D is equals to 500. So everyone clear? C is equals to 100. So these are the seven symbols Roman people using. Okay. Now we will write from 1 to 50. So just see here, some rules are there. Rule 1, no letter should be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, no letter should be repeated more than 3 times. No letter should be repeated more than 3 times. So this is the first rule. Okay, no letter should be repeated more than 2 times. So I am rubbing this. So next rule is that putting a letter after one of the bigger value. Putting a letter one of the bigger value. Okay, putting a letter after the bigger value. After a bigger value. Bigger value means, that means you can add it. Okay, you can add it. So I will explain this, all the meanings of these numbers. Okay, these rules. Okay, putting a letter after a bigger value, that means you can add it. Okay, now putting a letter before a bigger value. Putting a letter before a bigger value, that means you can subtract. See here instead of addition, subtraction. So here instead of after, here before. Okay, before, after. I will explain you clearly, don't worry about this. These are the rules. Okay, now we are moving to explanation of this too. See here, putting a letter after a bigger value. See here, for example, here this V is one of the bigger value. V is 5. V equals to 5. So if I am writing V1, means this is 6. Why? Means putting a letter after a bigger value. This is the one bigger value. If I am putting after bigger value, that means this is addition. That means V means 5. 1 means I means plus 1. Okay, V plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Everyone understanding? Yes. Now see here, x equals to 10. We know that. X V. See here, x V. Now x equal to 10. plus v equal to how much? 5. So I am putting a letter after a bigger value. In the sense we have to add it. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Everyone clear? So this is first rule. This is the second rule I am explaining here. Now I am going to explain the third rule. See here, third rule is putting a letter before a bigger value. That means you have to subtract. Okay, now see here, this is x. Okay, this x means 10. So x means 10. Now I am writing 1x. 1x means this x means 10. I am putting smaller value before a bigger value. That's the reason I am subtracting here. Subtracting, it is which number? 1. 10 minus 1, that is equals to 9. Everyone clear? So in the same manner, now one more example. This okay, now x is completed now. L is equals to 50. If I am putting XL is nothing but L is equals to 50. It is a bigger one. Next one, X is a smaller one now. This smaller one we have to subtract. Putting a letter before a bigger value means you can subtract it. Okay. Now 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, what is the result here? 40. So XL means 40. So I hope everyone understood the concept. Now I will explain you. Now I will write the numbers here. See here. For your convenience, I will explain once more. So see here, I am writing the numbers here. This is a symbol of 1. This is a symbol of 2. This is a symbol for 3. This is a symbol for 4. This is a symbol for 5. See here, this is a 5 actually. If I am putting before bigger value, that means subtraction. 5 minus 1, 4. Everyone clear? So now, see here, 5 is completed now. This is 6. Okay. 7. 8. 8 after 9 na. See here, 9. 10. Now how I am writing here 9? That is 10 minus 9. Okay, here, see here, this is 10. I am putting a small value before the bigger value. That's the reason minus. 10 minus 1. What is the answer? 10 minus 1. 9. Okay. This is your, now this C here. Now this is the 5 is a bigger symbol na. So bigger value 5. Plus how many ones are there? 3 ones are there na. So 5 plus 3, 8. So see here, same manner. 5 is given. How many ones are given? 2 ones are given. 5 plus 2, 7. Same manner. 5 is given plus 1 is given. 5 plus 1, 6. So everyone clear? These are rules. With the help of the rules, the numbers we are going to write down. Okay, everyone clear? So these are the numbers we are going to write down. Now see here. Up to 10 completed. Now 20. How to write the 20 number? 20 in the Roman. Okay, 20. 2x's 20. 10 plus 10. That is equals to 20. Everyone clear? Now 3x. That is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means 30. But 40. What is the rule here? No letter should be repeated more than 3 times. Already 3 times completed. So we don't want to repeat that. If we want to write the 40 means you don't write here 4x's. It's wrong. Okay, according to the rule. L is equals to 50 na. If write 50 before x, that means 50 minus 10, what the answer? 40. So L is equals to 50. So everyone clear? Now up to 50 completed na. 60 now. See here, now 60. L plus x. I am putting after. Okay, after a bigger digit. 50 plus 10. That is 60. Now 50 plus 20. That is 70. 50 plus 30. 3x's 30. 50 plus 30. That means 80. Okay, now 90. We don't repeat that 4 times. Okay, only 3 times is accepted. Okay, now 90. C means 100. 100 minus 10, 90. 100 minus 10, 90. Now C is equals to 100. Up to 100 completed now, everyone. Now 200, 300, up to 1000 I will explain you. See here. Now 300, 200 means 2 C's, 200. 3 C's, 300. But we don't write the 4 C's, okay na? According to the rule, up to 3 are accepted. Okay, now fourth one. So what is this? D means 500 na? D is equals to 500. But here we have to remove 100 na from 100. 500 from 500 minus 100 is equal to 400 na? CD, that is equals to 500 minus 100, that is equals to 400. Everyone completed? 500 completed. 600. 500 plus 100, 600. DC, 500 plus 100, that is equal to 600. 700. 500 plus DCC, 500 plus 200. 500 plus 200, that is equals to 700. Everyone clear? So now 800. Now 800. What is how to write the 800 here? See here. Now 800 na? D C C C. Okay, this 3 C's means 300 plus 500. That is equals to 500 plus 300. What is the answer here? 800. Everyone clear? Now 900. But won't repeat the 4 times now, C's. Okay. Now 900 means what is the 1000 here? M is equals to 1000 na? M is equals to 1000. So now 1000 minus 100, 900. So CM, that is equals to 1000 minus 100 is equals to 900. Everyone clear up to 1000? So you have to write in a practice in your rough notes from 1 to 1000. Okay, you take 2 days or 3 days, but you have to complete this up to 1000. Okay, this is the Roman number, children. If I give any bit, you can do this if you know this all. Okay, thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel.